All right, so Mike and Emily have separated these minerals out, and hopefully you guys have done the same. So can I get the camera to walk up, please, and take a look at the separation that they've done. So can you tell me what you got separated and why you separated them into these piles?
So we were kind of separating it. I don't know too much about minerals.
Sure.
So I was separating them. I was separating based off the color, and Michael said, well, based off of the metallic shape of them. So
Cool.
we did a little bit of that.
So you did exactly what a lot of people do, and you look at the color. And I did this on purpose because color is the #1 most misleading physical property of a mineral to use for identification. And you guys probably see this at home. For example, these two minerals look super similar, but their physical properties besides color make them extremely different. Same thing is true of these. Look very similar, but we're going to find out that they're extremely different when we use our tests. So some of the tests that are much more important than color, we've laid the groundwork for, we've talked about a little bit, is hardness. Hardness we test with a glass plate. Streak. Streak is the color of the mineral when powdered. We test with a streak plate. Whether or not it's magnetic, test with a magnet. And whether or not it reacts to HCl, test with hydrochloric acid. So when we come back, we're going to look at these minerals and then separate them again once we perform some physical tests on them.